Hello viewers, under vectors we are going to be looking at cross product, and so we are given that vector A is equal to 4i plus bj minus 6k, and then vector B is 3i minus 5j plus 2k. So once you see this sign, it means it is the cross product of vector A and B or any other given vector depending on the alphabet that was used in denoting the vector. And so to find the cross product of a given vector, we denote it by this. So this will be, we have the I, the j, and the k component. So the first one, A, is 4, 3, and then minus 6, and the second vector 3 minus 5 and then 2. So this is in form of a matrix, and so we are going to solve it using the method of determinant. So we are going to solve it using the method of determinant, and so this is how to go about it. If you want to make use of I, if we are considering I, so we just have I here. So we are looking at I. So if you are looking at I, you close everything this way. When you close it this way, this is how to close it. It means all will be left will be 3 minus 5 minus 6, 2. So we have 3 here minus 5 minus 6 and then 2. That is for I. Okay, that is for I. We close it. But before I continue, remember that here is positive, here is negative, here will be positive. That's the normal rule for matrix. And so now we are done with I, but because here is negative, so we have negative, and the next one will be what? J. So we put it in bracket. Now because we are looking at J, we close everything here and close everything under J. And so we are going to be having 4, 3, and then minus 6 and 2. So we have 4, 3, minus 6 and 2. So we are done with J. So this is plus, so we have plus K. We now enter K. So in doing that, we are going to close everything in K and then up here. Okay, so this will give us 4, 3, 3 minus 5. So we have 4, 3, 3 minus 5. That is for K. So we are done with that first step. So we get to the second step. And then the second step will be this multiplying this minus this multiplying this. That is how it will be. So it will be this multiplying this first minus this multiplying this. Okay, it will be this multiplying this first minus this multiplying this. So that's how it's going to be. So for I, we are going to have 3 times 2. That will give us 6. That is this multiplying this first. So 3 times 2, that will give us 6. I said minus, okay. Then minus 5 times minus 6 will give us 30. Of course, you know that minus times minus is plus. So minus 5 times minus 6 will be 30. So we are done with I. So we have minus J into, I said, this multiplying this minus this multiplying this. So 4 times 2 here will give us 8. So we have minus. Then we have 3 times minus 6 will give us minus 18. We have minus 18. So we have plus K. Okay. Plus K. So we have plus K So we have 4 times minus 5 will give us minus 20. So we have our own minus. And then 3 times 3 will give us 9. So we've closed it. So let's continue our solution. So we are going to have I into 6 minus 30 will be minus 24 minus j. So 8 minus 18 is the same thing as saying 8 plus 18, because minus times minus here will give us plus. So we have 8 plus 18, that will be 26, plus we have our k. So if we say minus 20 minus 9 is minus 29, because minus times minus is plus, and then your answer will take the sign in front of the bigger number. The sign in front of the bigger number is minus, so that's why we're having it to be minus 29. So at this point we can use this to open the bracket. So I times minus 24 will give us minus 24 I. This times this minus j times this will give us minus 26 j, and k times minus 29 will give us minus 29 k. So it means that the cross product of A and B in this sense, or in this case we are considering, is minus 24I minus 26j minus 29k. So viewers, that is how to find the cross product of any two given vectors. Thank you.